So now let's see how we can work around with macros inside of Google Sheets. So in order to work around with my macros, I'm just going to go around over here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto tools, and then I'm going to go around into macro. And here you can see that I have an option to record a macro. So I'm just going to record a macro right here, and I'm going to use relative reference because absolute reference will limit that to a particular cell. So I'm going to use relative reference. It already started recording, as you can see right here. So now I'm going to bold this. I'm going to change its color right here, and then I'm going to go around into this cell, and then I'm going to italicize it, and I'm going to maybe, let's say, strike through this as well. So I'm just going to click on save, and I can add in the name for this particular macro. So I'm just going to see that this is going to be format change right here. And then I can also give it a shortcut key that is Control Alt Shift and numbers. I'm just going to say 1 right here. So I'm going to go around over here, and I'm going to press Control Alt Shift and then 1. And let's see what happens. It's running the script right here, and just like this, a macro is added right here. So I didn't select this, so it didn't apply. So I'm just going to select this. I'm going to press Control Alt Shift, and then I'm going to say 1. And now what happens is that you can see that the exact thing that we did right here got repeated right here. You can also select this, and then you can go around into tool. You can go to macro, and then there you go. There we have our macro for format change. So if I were to click on this, then what happens is that there you go. That is applied. The format is applied. And that is how we can work around with macros inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.